Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on a Carroll diagram, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. A Carroll diagram is a way to sort data, such as a group of objects, shapes, or numbers, based on given properties or traits in a yes-no fashion. It is named after the author of Alice in Wonderland, Lewis Carroll, and is sometimes known as Carroll's square. So here's a Carroll diagram. Okay, so at the top here it says it has curved lines. It has straight lines. Then over here it says it has more than 3 sides and it has 3 sides or fewer. So here are the directions here. The directions say place the following shapes in the Carroll diagram above. So we've got these shapes here, and based on the criteria of the Carroll diagram, we're going to fill it in. Okay, so let's look at the first box here. And it says, has curved lines and has more than 3 sides. So looking at all the shapes here, do we have any that have more than 3 sides and also have curved lines? Well, the answer is no. Actually, none of them have it at this point. So let's go ahead and look at the next one over here that says has straight lines. And again, we're looking at has more than 3 sides. So again, looking at our choices here, we do have some shapes that will fit, such as this one here. That's the rectangle. And we got this one here. And we have also this one here. Okay? So all these shapes here, the rectangle, the hexagon, and the pentagon, has straight lines, which they all do, and has more than 3 sides, which they all do, obviously, here. Okay, let's go ahead and look down at the next column here. Now, again, it says has curved lines and has 3 sides or fewer. Now, this is key, and I put this in on purpose because it can have 3 sides or less. Okay, if it does, it fits the criteria here. All right, so we do have some shapes that do this here, such as this one here, the circle, and then this one here, which some people say is the moon or banana. Anyways, that fits the criteria here. And then we have this one here. We also have this shape here, and as you can see, these shapes all have curved lines and 3 sides or fewer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the last column now. And here it says has straight lines and has 3 sides or fewer. So the first one we have here is this one here, the triangle. And then another shape that we just used will pop up again, which is the 3/4 circle here. And looking at the criteria, they both have straight lines and 3 sides or less. So for the bonus activity, I changed it up a bit here. Okay, so at the top here, I've got multiple of 5, not a multiple of 5. And then over here, I've got even number and odd number. And the directions simply say, place the numbers 1 to 30 in the Carroll diagram above. Okay, so that means all the numbers from 1 to 30, put them in the correct part of the Carroll diagram. Okay, the answer key will be in the description down below so you can see how you did on this bonus activity. So that's what a Carroll diagram is, that's what it looks like, and that's what it wants to accomplish. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.